PBIS is an essential part of school and can be implemented in all kinds of ways. No matter how schools plan their PBIS program, they need to set clear goals for students and accessible rewards for once they attain those. Enter the gold standard of tangible rewards, the school store. We wrote an article about this a while back, and it was widely shared between admin. This time, we're giving you a quick summary of that article, as well as a few extra tips. If you like this video, check out the link in the description to read the full article and discover even more suggestions. Now, a PBIS school store is filled with goodies that students can earn based on positive behavior. Not only does the school store improve behavior and decrease disciplinary problems, but it's a fun project too. You can usually see its impact pretty quick. Of course, every school store is different, but the steps to opening one are the same for everyone. We organize them into 15 actions, but you'll see that a lot of them can be lumped together. Let's get started. 1. Find store helpers. You'll need people to take care of the store, but they don't have to be admin. It could be anyone: faculty or staff, parent volunteers, or even students. 2. Create a school store space. This is super easy. All you need is a small space somewhere in the school. It could be a walk-in pantry with a fridge or a quiet corner by the office. It could even be a very organized shopping cart. It entirely depends on what's available to you. 3. Generate interest. Remember to start hyping your school store early. By designing and printing flyers telling everyone the school store is coming soon, word will spread like wildfire, and students will get excited to get on board. 4. Plan your PBIS reward system. An easy way to do this is to meet as a faculty and create a list of desired behaviors and their rewards. For example, more challenging behaviors like helping clean up the classroom earns more points than just showing up to class on time. Start with the essential behaviors and then build up from there. 5. Fundraise. Most schools don't have extra money lying around, meaning stores are mostly funded by proceeds from car washes, bake sales, book fairs, or parent donations. 6. Brainstorm schools' activities and privileges. If you want options that don't cost anything, then activities are a great solution. Examples include first choice seating, extra recess time, parking passes, saying the announcements, renting sports equipment, and more. Really, the options are unlimited, and in the end, you might find these to be the most popular purchases. 7. Shape your economy. Some school stores run on tickets, while others prefer Monopoly money or poker chips. There are even PBIS programs, like Classcraft, that keep track of rewards and simplify the work. Choose whatever is best for your school. Ultimately, your students just need to know they earned something that they can then use to make purchases at your store. Number 8, ask your students what they'd like in the store. You want to stock your store with inventory that interests your students. It's likely they'll be more motivated if they can earn something like a fidget spinner or a school sweatshirt rather than a deck of flashcards or a book. So get them involved in the brainstorming and even ask them about activities they'd enjoy. Number 9, stock your items. So you have your behavior matrix, the school store space, and item ideas. Now you can start shopping. School store magazines, Amazon, and Walmart are just a few places to load up, but don't be afraid to ask parents for donated items. You might be surprised by the response. Number 10, set up a school store with items and decorations. Now it's time to officially decorate and stock your store. You can get the students involved here. Assign them to paint the open and close signs, hang a clock, organize the shelves. It is your blank canvas, so you can all get really creative. 11, plan school store hours. Establish your school store schedule, pin it to the entrance, and send email reminders home. Make sure all students receive access to the store at certain times. It's important they feel the school store is accessible, so we'll work on those positive behaviors. Number 12, create a work schedule for staff and students. Know who is going to monitor the school store and create a schedule. Pass it out to all workers involved, remind students of their responsibilities, and make it easy for them to follow along. Number 13, start rewarding PBIS behaviors before opening day. If you open your school store before students have earned anything, you'll probably have some unhappy students on your hands. But if you provide the opportunity for students to earn rewards in advance of your grand opening, you'll see positive behavior changes before your store even launches. Number 14, open your school store. It is officially go time. Schedule an opening day, get everything rolling. Now that you've followed all the steps, you just need to open the doors. And isn't that the best part? Although watching behaviors improve must be really satisfying too. Number 15, hold regular meetings with the school store crew. Okay, so you have officially opened the store. There are still going to be odds and ends to keep it running though. A few of these tasks are inventory management, replenishing the products, the fundraising, and creating the weekly work schedules. Offer community service hours or PBIS rewards for working at the store, and some students will happily do it. So, give it a try. You could have your own PBIS store up and running in just a few weeks. And it would be a total hit. If you want to know even more about school stores, the link to our article is in the description. Or leave a question below. Like and subscribe to enjoy new tips every week, and we'll see you next time.